When you search for the best Lifetime versus Spalding basketball hoops, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy graphics. But to figure out which one actually gives you the best bang for your buck, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Lifetime Slam-It Rim. The Lifetime Slam-It basketball rim caught my eye right away with its bright orange color and solid build. Priced at $58.49, it's a budget-friendly option that's designed specifically for Lifetime hoops. If you want a durable rim that can handle serious play, this is worth a serious look. It's designed for slam dunks and can withstand the toughest games. Plus, it comes with a 70G all-weather net, ensuring you don't have to worry about it fraying or breaking down in the rain. With over 1,000 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, many users praise its durability and performance. Now, some people complained about how it only fits Lifetime-branded hoops. Here's the thing though, if you already own a Lifetime hoop, it's a no-brainer. But if you don't, this could be a deal-breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking to replace a worn-out rim or want to upgrade your existing Lifetime setup. Skip this one if you're planning to mix brands. For the price, it's a solid investment for serious ballers. Now, if that limitation about compatibility bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Lifetime NBA League Edition Hoop. The Lifetime NBA League Edition portable basketball hoop really stands out with its authentic NBA graphics and sleek design. Priced at $249, it's a mid-range option that brings professional flair right to your driveway. If you're looking for versatility and style, this might just be your go-to. This means everyone, from kids to adults, can play at their preferred height. Its 44-inch shatterproof fusion backboard is made from virtually unbreakable polycarbonate, providing excellent rebound characteristics. With over 5,300 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, users love its stability and ease of movement. Now, some users mention that the assembly can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, you're golden. It's a solid hoop that can handle intense games, so the initial hassle might be worth it for the long-term enjoyment. This is perfect for you if you want a hoop that looks great and lets everyone in the family play. Skip this one if you prefer something more permanent or if you're not into assembly. Considering its features, it's a solid value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for younger players. Product number 3, Lifetime 32 Youth Portable Hoop. The Lifetime 32 Youth Portable Basketball Hoop is specifically designed for younger players, and it's hard to miss with its vibrant red and black color scheme. Priced at $128.43, this hoop is an excellent entry-level choice. If you're looking to get your kids involved in basketball, this is worth a serious look. What stands out is its adjustable height feature, allowing you to set the rim from 5.5 to 7.5 feet without any tools. This means as your child grows, the hoop can grow with them. The 32-inch impact backboard is molded from high-density polyethylene, ensuring it won't shatter during play. Plus, it has a durable 15-inch youth rim that's just the right size for smaller hands. Now, some users noted that it might feel a bit lightweight during intense play. Here's the thing though, for younger kids, this hoop is perfect. If your kids are just learning the game, the lighter build won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking to introduce your kids to basketball. Skip this one if you need something for older teens or adults. For the price, it's a great value for budding athletes. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more advanced for the family, this next option could be what you need. Product number 4, Lifetime Adjustable Portable Hoop. The Lifetime Portable Basketball Hoop with the height adjustment feature is another strong contender. At $199.90, it's a well-rounded choice that balances quality and price. If you want a hoop that adapts to everyone's play style, this is worth considering. This hoop's 44-inch backboard is virtually unbreakable, which is crucial for those intense games. You can fill the 27-gallon base with water or sand for stability, making it easy to roll to your desired location. With over 5,400 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, users appreciate its sturdiness and ease of relocation. Now, some customers found that the adjustment mechanism could be a bit stiff. Here's the thing though, it's designed to be secure. Once you get the hang of it, it's a minor inconvenience for such a reliable hoop. This is perfect for you if you want a quality hoop that can grow with you and your family. Skip this one if you prefer a fixed height. For the price, it's a solid investment in your home court. Now, if you're looking for something that offers a bit more in terms of durability and features, the last product on my list might be right up your alley. Product number 5, Lifetime Outdoor Portable Hoop. The Lifetime Outdoor Portable Basketball Hoop stands out with its sturdy 48-inch backboard and a design made to withstand the elements. Priced at $276.99, it's on the higher end but offers features that justify the cost. If you're serious about your basketball setup, this is worth a look. The Speed Shift Height Adjustment allows you to quickly change the rim height from 8 to 10 feet. Plus, its solid steel slam-it rim with double compression springs caters to aggressive play. With a 4.4-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, users love its solid construction and stability. Now, some users mention that it can be a bit bulky to move around. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your game, the stability it offers is worth the trade-off. It's designed to stay put during intense play. This is perfect for you if you want a durable hoop suitable for all weather conditions. Skip this one if you prefer something lightweight for easy transport. Given its features, it's worth the investment for dedicated players. So to wrap it up, the Lifetime Slam-It Rim is great for replacing old rims. The NBA League Edition brings style and adjustability. The 32 Youth Hoop is perfect for younger players. The adjustable portable hoop offers flexibility, and the outdoor portable hoop is built for serious play. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best before making a choice.